That little device in your pocket today is actually larger in worth than the $3 Amazon Discovery that saved me more than $200 on my recent flight. Airlines fear the day passengers find out about these near imperceptible yet utterly robust travel devices. Why? Because each and every one silently eliminates a different money-gouging trick they depend on. Today, I'm unveiling 16 ridiculously tiny travel weapons, all from Amazon, that make minimal packing a breeze and travel aggravation vanish. And let me tell you, when we reach number 1, you'll know why TSA officers have literally detained me just to gawk. So, grab a seat, click that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let's get started. Number 16. Antibacterial soap sheets. Picture this. You're in a public bathroom overseas, no soap in sight, and your only option is the $8 sanitizer at duty-free. No thanks. These soap sheets are 100 dissolvable miracles packed in a case smaller than your wallet. Just drop a sheet in water, wash your hands, and you're cleaner than most first-class passengers. Airlines hate these because every passenger who finds them quits shelling out extra money on pricey sanitizers. For just $4, they're a no-brainer. Pro tip: store them in the front pocket of your carry-on. They pass through security faster than any liquid sanitizer. Number 15. Japanese mini scissors. Here's something the baggage fee department doesn't want you to find out. Airlines charge $25 to check a bag just so you can pack full-size scissors. But these TSA-approved Japanese mini scissors? They zip right through checkpoints. Don't be fooled by their compact size. They cut through packaging, recalcitrant snack packages, even those plastic tops that beat up your fingernails. I've taken 6 flights with them. No confiscations. Tip: attach them to the outside of your belt bag. When security members see them up front, they wave you through even quicker. Number 14. Dual-sided carabiner. Regular carabiners are a recipe for disaster. Open them, and half your equipment falls on the floor. That's what luggage manufacturers hope for, so you'll shell out money for secure, overpriced substitutes. The double-sided carabiner fixes that in an instant. One side remains locked as you open the other, holding keys, gear, and accessories where they should be. Pro tip: employ it as an instant zipper lock. Crooks need to decipher the 2-chamber system, gaining you valuable seconds. Number 13. Theft deterrent. Zipper pull. Hotel employees will never steer you in the direction of this $3 trick because they make money when you store your valuables in their overpriced safes. This little connector connects 2 zippers, making a swift grabbing to a 30-second battle. That's long enough for a pickpocket to select another victim. Pro tip: opt for bold colors. Visible deterrents give burglars pause before even attempting. Number 12. Master luggage strap. Airlines intentionally make personal item bags without a trolley pass-through. Why? So they fall off your suitcase, compelling you to juggle more than one bag or shell out extra for overhead bin storage. This brilliant luggage strap corrects that right away with a stiff trolley connector that secures your bag firmly. It's one of those minor things that make your entire airport experience easier. Just what airlines don't want you to find out. That stretchy part wraps snugly around your bag, while the stiff connector tightens securely to your trolley handle. Pro tip: the stiff connector is the actual key. Avoiding bag charges is rewarding, but number 11 can access even greater discounts. Number 11. Flexible TSA lock. Most TSA locks are ugly metal bricks that all but scream, "Search me," to airport officials. This flexible cable version is different. It slides through multiple zippers and looks so low profile that screeners rarely bother with extra checks. The numeric combination means no scrambling for tiny keys while you're juggling bins at security. 4 zippers? 6 zippers? This cable handles them all. Pro tip: set your combination to your birth year. When you're sleep-deprived and rushing, familiar numbers save time and stress. Now your luggage is safe, but will you remain fragrant across each layover? Number 10. Perfume atomizer. Airports adore making you decide between traveling light and smelling wonderful, chancing you'll give in and purchase their duty-free fragrances at 3 times the cost. This refillable atomizer allows you to pour your high-end perfume into a TSA-compliant container. Simply press your full bottle into the refill pump, and you've outsmarted the 311 liquid rule without compromising your trademark scent. Pro tip: the gender-neutral style prevents airport personnel from asking questions about who is for. You smell amazing, but how do you transport fragrance-sensitive products without spills or TSA hassles? Number 9. Waterproof micro-container. Hotels are making a fortune when visitors forget medication and must purchase them at overpriced rates. This small waterproof holder guards so much more than pills hide emergency funds, jewelry, or even your smart ring while beachcombing. Several strands and a rubber gasket form an airtight seal. Customs agents frequently bypass it, thinking that it's merely a vitamin container. Pro tip: try it with a paper towel. Immerse it in water. If the towel is bone dry, your valuables will be as well. Safety in keeping things is one thing, but how do you prevent costly tech from disappearing in midair? Number 8. Magnetic AirPod leash. Flight companies plan tight seats with the knowledge that you'll eventually lose something costly, such as a $200 earbud, so you purchase substitutes from their catalogs. The silicone magnetic leash keeps your AirPods bundled and in place, even when turbulence strikes. No scrounging under seats. Bonus: the magnets serve as a fidget device on long flights. Pro tip: the silicone coating prevents it from catching on your clothes. Still, keeping your gear in hand is one thing. Ensuring that your luggage is never really lost is another. Number 7. Apple AirTag. A bag goes missing every 3 seconds around the globe, and airlines rely on you, taking their "we're looking into it" delays as storage fees pile up. An AirTag turns the tables, providing real-time tracking so you can show your bag is in Chicago while they deny it's traveling to Miami. Stealth keychain cases. Camouflage your tracker as a touristy trinket and include the drop protection. Apple missed. Pro tip: choose a design that complements your destination to fit in with the crowd. Your bag's position is taken care of, but how do you keep it lifted off the floor in germ-infested public areas? Number 6. Clip-on bag hanger. Hotels and restaurants like it when your bag accumulates floor bacteria because ill travelers spend more money on overpriced cures. This tough little hook expands to 2.8 inches wide, sliding over shower rails, bathroom stalls, and tables. Your backpack, purse, or laptop bag remains clean and germ-free. Pro tip: the silicone grip prevents scratching surfaces, avoiding those fake damage fees at hotels. Cleanliness prevents illness, but every once in a while, you might want a bit of extra odor protection in cramped places. Number 5. Pocket Pupori toilet spray. Cruise ship cabins and shipboard bathrooms have awful ventilation by design. They prefer you uncomfortable enough to splurge on an upgrade with better air circulation. A travel-sized toilet spray does change that. It forms a barrier of oil on the surface of the water, which captures odors before they can escape. Your reputation is preserved, even in cramped quarters. Use it properly, and you may exit the bathroom smelling better than upon entry. Pro tip: 2 sprays before, not after. Prevention beats damage control every time. You've got clean hands and secure bags. Now let's erase bathroom embarrassment for good. Number 4. Earth Breeze laundry sheets. Hotels happily charge $15 per shirt for express laundry because they know you'll pay anything to avoid wearing the same clothes twice. Earth Breeze laundry sheets turn the tables. They transform any hotel sink into a washing machine, wash a week's worth of essentials, and don't take up more space than a deck of cards. They're biodegradable, plastic-free, and cut out one of the hotel's most lucrative services. Tip: use the room sink and leave a window open, or use the fan for quicker drying. Clean clothes are wonderful, but where do you plan on hanging them? Number 3. Mini tension clothesline. Hotels take clotheslines out of bathrooms to encourage you to rent beach towels or pool equipment. The palm-sized tension line opens up into a standard-length clothesline with integrated stretch. No knotting, no sliding, no falling clothes. The bungee fabric conforms to nearly any area, and when you're finished with it, it stows away smaller than a cell phone charger. Pro tip: It's washable, so wash it with your laundry to keep it clean. Certainly, washing and hanging are only half the battle. What if you could have your own food and water? That costs airport prices. Number 2. Snapfold Travel Bowl. Food courts in airports charge high prices because they've removed free water dispensers and prohibited bulky food containers. This folding snapfold bowl goes through security without a second look. Utilize it for breakfast, snacks, or even to gather water in an emergency. Hotels despise it since it takes away from their extortionate room service sales. Pro tip: black collars conceal stains much more effectively than white. Learned that the hard way in Japan. Food storage is clever, but the next product addresses the one thing that most airlines dread: healthy passengers. Number 1. Alcohol wipes. This is the actual nightmare of airline executives. Not turbulence, not delays, no customers getting sick on their flights. As airlines make money off illness-related cancellations and rebooking charges, these hospital-grade alcohol wipes establish a germ-free zone around your seat that cabin cleaning staff never come close to. Airlines have mastered just enough washing to appear extensive, while leaving sufficient germs to provide the medical emergencies and revenue streams continually. These wipes destroy actual pathogens, not the diluted sanitizers they give out for appearance's sake. Pro tip: clean your tray table, armrests, air vent, and seatbelt. Buckle the 4 germiest areas on the plane. And that's it. You're now flying smarter than 99% of the masses. 16 small but powerful travel tools to keep you healthy, together, and stress-free, no matter where you roam. Which one's going in your bag first? Do you have a secret weapon? Share it in the comments and assist the Fly Smarter community in staying one step ahead. Hit subscribe and safe travels from all of us at Fly Smarter.